Over here by Calico River Rapids, the entrance, they also have some more, they're not really Easter themed, but they are like, they've got frogs and bees. And way over there in that rock, there's a grasshopper. There's another frog and, oops, more bees. And over in the distance you can see the waterfall for, can you see the Indian? No. See the head of the Indian. And then if you look closely over in the waterfall, you can actually see, I think they say that's supposed to be Bigfoot. The water's not splashing as much as usual, and usually you could just see his arm, but now you can see his whole body.